It's the really awesome PBS KIDS Activity Challenge. PBS Kids challenges you to take on this awesome activity right now and get started making and mailing postcards.
I'll get the Make Things box. Now, what should I paint? Stars!
And polka dots?
You could never have enough polka dots.
To make your postcard, you'll need cardboard, scissors, glue, construction paper, colored pencils, glitter, and more. You can even make large puzzles to mail. Then get ready for mailing by addressing it to your best friend, your grandma, or anyone. Don't forget the postage stamp. Get up, get out, and start your really awesome PBS Kids Activity Challenge now.